Welcome to the incredible John's Beachcombing Museum on the Olympic Peninsula in Forks, Washington. Forks is known for a few things, one being the setting of the Twilight movie series, another being the Timber Museum, and for us, the main attraction after living on sailboats for half of our lives, John's Beachcombing Museum. This place is amazing! John has been cleaning beaches and extreme beachcombing for years. And what is extreme beachcombing? Well, maybe a mile or two hike in, down a cliff to untouched beaches. Beaches that are rarely stepped upon, with treasures that have floated for miles. John started collecting glass floats back in the 70s and went from there. Plastic floats, plastic toys, bottles, letters in bottles, debris from the 2011 Japanese tsunami. He opened the museum in 2015 and it is well worth a visit. Outside, there are thousands of floats, which have been turned into towers, fences, yard art, and even boats full of floats. And inside the museum, the beachcombing finds have been organized into sections. The tsunami debris, bowling balls, yes, bowling balls, sports equipment, signs, bones, beacons, dog toys, bottles, and more. There is a small entrance fee, and hours may vary during the different months. I researched ahead of time to make sure it would be open and learned a lot about his history. He has arranged beach cleanups with other participants and has beachcombed in other parts of the world. I've always picked up trash on beaches, so appreciated him from the get-go. If you find yourself near the town of Forks, make some time to explore this unique museum. Check out our playlist for more of our Washington State favorites. And if you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave us a comment so we know you were here. As always, thanks for watching.